Atlanta. Screw it. Let's do Atlanta. And then we'll go raid somebody. Why not? Obviously, going to do qualifying here. We're definitely going to find somebody to raid after this one. Tomorrow night, I have a truck league that I race in. Tuesdays and Thursdays will be another cup league. Wednesday night is Xfinity. I don't have anything on Friday. Saturday is a Wreckfest league, technically. And obviously Sunday is cup.
That money might be better spent.
Let's go.
Yeah, definitely a busy schedule, but I have fun doing it. I'm hoping I can continue to grow and maybe slim it down some. On Tuesdays and Thursdays could be kind of hard for me to actually make races sometimes. Because if my wife has to work for some reason, then I gotta get the girls to cheer. And the league that I'm forming up on Thursday, we're probably gonna have to hold off another week before we start. One, because we don't have very many people in it. Two, we got a softball tournament coming up at the end of August, and the team decided to call practice that night. Almost all the way in the back. Holy crap.
Coming to the green, driver.
Couple
Be ready.
positions behind.
Ready. The green flag is in the air.
Woo. Can we finish with a win here? It's going to be the question. But this ship's like that.
Careful, still there.
See if we can avoid tapping people.
Still there. Clear high, bud. Clear all around. Car high, careful there. Car high, careful. Clear all around.
Trucking pretty fast. Might be able to pull off something decent.
Hold that line, driver. Clear all around.
What's up, Lycan? How you doing, buddy? Hopefully there's nothing too serious, too difficult, but definitely appreciate the work.
a carload now.
Move me up.
Stay high up here.
See you 44. Natalie Decker.
Got one down low now. You got room. You're clear. Looking inside now.
Now that we no longer have anybody to drive, I'm rather slow.
Got a carload now. All right, you're clear there. Stay on the bottom here. Still there? All clear. You got room, you're clear there. Watch that car in front of you. He's slowing down. He's going to be pitting. Easy on those tires, driver.
Feels so good. Alright. Front right at
All
least.
clear up top there.
People have started to pit. Not gonna make it.
All right, he's waving you off in
Fuel
front.
or
He's
I'm
pitting
on
this
tire. Fuel.
Drop your speed, driver. Your tire went
Nope,
down.
I'm gonna get a black
Being
flag there.
penalized this time with the black
Tire
flag.
pop. I couldn't slow down. Let's raise you up. Bit. Raise you up a little bit. Lower you down. Yeah, my tire blew just as I was sliding in, so I couldn't stop in time, but it'll be alright. We got a pretty fast truck. We'll catch back up. Probably be caution at some point. We'll see. Look at these guys race. Bang. Bang, bang. Alright, let's do this. Not bad off on me.
You're clear of pit road.
We're a lap down, but he is in the pits at the moment. Should be too. I think we'll be alright. We are in last place. So back it on for real. Going to be interesting. Catching them pretty quick. See them in the corner. I'm gonna have to pit again before, maybe twice before the race is over with. Should be alright. I think I got a really fast truck. And they're all probably drafting each other at the moment. Still catching.
We got 20 more left.
I think I actually made a good adjustment this time around. It was just tire pressure, but no longer in last place.
Caution.
Ooh. I'm on the lead lap now. I'm a lap down. We're going to pit.
Coming to the green. Ready. The green flag is in the air.
Could have went the route of not pitting there. Everybody would have been able to stretch out a lot longer than me if it were to go
Still
green.
there.
Plus now we got fresh tires
All clear.
and draft. We should be able to make up for it.
Careful. Still there. Car high. Careful there. Still there. Car high. Careful. All right. You're clear. Got one peeking outside.
Here's the last one barely under it.
Got one up top. Hold your line. Got one outside. Careful, still there.
Much better than just trying to run them down
Got
without a
one peeking
caution.
outside.
Flying past some of these guys. Come on, catch up.
Stay on the bottom. Got one peeking outside. All clear. Wow, that's fast. Careful, still there. You got room, you're clear there.
Definitely have to pit when to pit. Get early and try and make a full run. Last one.
All right, 10 to go. Keep it nice and smooth for us. Careful, still there. Car
This truck
high,
is
careful.
amazing.
Top 3, use it if you need it.
For what I did with it. Rolls through the turns well. Not even having to let off the gas at all. Beast. I don't know if I'll be able to pull off first, but this would be the race to do it. Lock myself in the playoffs in the rookie season. Insane. Should start seeing some guys pick.
All right, he's waving you off in front. He's pitting this time.
Four.
We're going to need those tires to last, driver.
Gotta try and not get a black flag this time around. They are gonna come in this time.
All right, he's waving you off in front. He's pitting this time. Drop your speed, driver. We got the black flag.
I think I still got it. Let's make it. Yeah. No, right. Thought I had it that time. Oh wait. Yeah, buddy. Look at that.
You're coming to the green. Almost ready.
Perfectly timed caution.
Stay low, stay low. You got room, you're clear there. Hold your line, got one inside.
Get back.
Car there on the inside. All right, you're clear.
Well, third race
One
in.
down low now. 2 to go.
Should be able to pull off this W.
White flag, dig, driver.
Let's go!
Nobody kept up with you today.
Third race, first win. Let's go. And we are going to go do a burnout real quick. I think my truck's out of gas. It's not doing nothing else anymore. Dun, 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 dun. I actually feel like I was a pretty clean racer in that race too. First place in the point standings, baby. Let's go. Get out
I
of
got
here.
high five. Wow.
Look at that. On top of my truck, the trophy. Come on, child. Stop.
Tyler.
I'm about to find out if they're going to complain. Right there.
Huh?
Then after that, we're going to find somebody to raid.
I know who. I have someone maybe.
Who?
Raspberry.
I don't know who it is.
Yes, I do. I've been watching her.
I don't know who it is.
Well, you should really go look at her live stream. And you'll see who it is. Just search her up. Just search up RASB. I mean SBI. Or you want me to bring me?
Wait a second. Look at the number. Clay Greenfield. Apparently, he's just mad because I took his job. I'm literally driving in the number 68. And it says, "What's your deal? That was awful." He just wants his seat back. We're going to insult him. Thank you, Austin Hill. Thank you, Matt Crafton. Hold up.
What?
I'm confused. Is he mad or is he happy? What the heck is going on here? Thank you, Gustine. Thank you, Tyler. That's it. Not everybody. My team now has momentum. We're going to go with 4 top 25s in 4 races because we've been doing pretty decent. I'm going to have to clip that whole number 68 debacle there, put it on TikTok just because